Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 1, the second lesson, Applying Advanced Conditional Formatting. So this is a document you should have open. The New York Temperature Basic Formatting Worksheet shows the average monthly temperature for New York City from 2005 to 2020. You're going to create a conditional format using the ribbon to set the fill color to blue for any cell that contains a temperature value of less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees centigrade. So we're going to select from B2 to M17. So we're highlighting all the data. On the Home tab in the Styles group. So we're on the Home tab. Here's your Styles group. We're going to click Conditional Formatting and then click Highlight Cell Rules Less Than. So highlight cell rules, and then we're going to go to less than. Dialog box is displayed with default values entered for you. In the less than dialog box, we're going to type 32. In the format cells less than field, we're going to click the drop down button with the list box, and we're going to click Custom Format. Because Custom Format was selected, the Format Cells dialog box is now displayed. In this dialog box, we're going to click the Fill tab right up here. Then we're going to click the blue standard color. Which is this one right here. I don't know why the name didn't come up. It's third from the right, and then we're going to click OK. In the less than dialog box, we're going to click OK. So you can see any number that was below 32 is now highlighted in that blue. Go to step 2. On the Home tab in the Styles group, we're going to click Conditional Formatting. And then go to New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, we're going to click Format Only Cells That Contain. So this right here, click this. In the Edit the Rule Description section, here's that section it's talking about. In the second list, we're going to click the greater than. In the rightmost text, hang on, I didn't do that right. This box here. Then we're going to click greater than. In the rightmost text box, we'll type 75. We're going to click the Format button. We're going to click Red, and then we're going to click OK. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, click OK. And you can see that anything above 75 is now red. Go to the next step. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting, and then click Manage Rules down here at the bottom. Click in the bottom rule where it's cell value less than 32, and then we're going to edit that rule. You can change the formatting criteria in this window. We're going to click Format right over here. We're going to click light blue standard color, fourth from the right, so it's this one right here, and then click OK. In the Editing Formatting Rule dialog box, click OK, and then click OK. Click in a blank cell of the worksheet, and the screen should now look similar to this. So my screen looks like that, and yours should as well. Mark that as answered. Go to the next. Click cell B6. B6. Then click the Fill Color drop down button in the ribbon. Here's your fill color. So click this drop down button. We're going to click Gold Accent 4 Lighter 40%. Gold accent 4, lighter 40%. Now test conditional formatting rules in some of the cells. Click F5. And enter 31. Click C5 and enter 75.1. Select B6 and we're going to type 40. You see that it changed it to that what we had put in there a second ago. Click the undo button in the quick access toolbar to undo the change in B6. So undo what we did. B6 is now back to the light blue background color, and the gold background color that you manually set up is no longer visible. You can remove the conditional formatting from a selected range of cells or from the entire worksheet. Go to the last one. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting, and then we're going to go to Clear Rules. Clear rules from entire sheet. Notice the manual formatting in cell B6 is now in effect because that has been removed. The conditional formatting has been removed. With B6 still selected, click the fill color drop down arrow and then click no fill. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 5 green checks. So this completes applying advanced conditional formatting.